For centuries, humans have been asking, are we alone in this universe? In 1899, scientist Nikola Tesla picked up mysterious radio signals that he could not explain. Years later, in Norway, scientists picked up similar signals. Signals that seemed to be coming from space. But the real mystery began when reports surfaced in American newspapers of an unidentified object orbiting the Earth. Never launched by any country and not part of any known space program. Hence the legend of the Black Probe was born. A mysterious satellite said to have been observing Earth for more than 13,000 years. Today, together, we'll dive into this exciting mystery and try to figure out, is the Black Probe just a myth? Or is it evidence of an alien civilization that has been watching us for thousands of years? Let's go back to the late 19th century. In 1899, the genius scientist Nikola Tesla was conducting his experiments on radio waves in his laboratory. Suddenly, he picked up mysterious signals that he couldn't explain. They weren't like any natural waves known at the time. Tesla wrote in his diary that he felt as if these signals were coming from extraterrestrials, perhaps from another civilization trying to communicate with us. Years passed, and in 1928, scientists in Norway picked up similar signals using huge antennas. These signals were very strange, arriving later than expected, as if they were reflected from an unknown object in space. Scientists called them long-late signals, but did not find a convincing scientific explanation for them. These events sparked widespread debate among researchers, and questions began to be asked. Is there a UFO in Earth's orbit that reflects these signals? Could it be an unidentified satellite that has been observing our planet for thousands of years? That's where the story of the Black Probe began. A legend that there is a mysterious satellite built by no country, never launched by any space agency, but has been in Earth's orbit for more than 13,000 years, sending mysterious signals and intriguing scientists to this day.
In the spring of 1955, headlines across the nation screamed of a mysterious...
American newspapers began publishing sensational reports about a UFO orbiting the Earth. This object was not affiliated with any country, nor was it part of any known space program. This news stirred public opinion, and people began to wonder, is there an unknown satellite watching us? But the big surprise came in 1998, during NASA's STS-88 space shuttle mission. As astronauts worked in orbit, cameras captured images of a foreign object floating near the shuttle. The object was dark in color, irregularly shaped, looking like a huge piece of black metal. The images went viral, and some called it a black probe.
What was
NASA
observed earlier
was quick
today drifting near the
explain
vehicle is a piece...
matter, and said that this object is just a thermal blanket that separated from the shuttle during the mission. But many rejected this explanation, asserting that what appeared in the images is not just debris, but evidence of a mysterious satellite that has been observing Earth for thousands of years. Since that time, STS-88 shuttle images have become a symbol of myth, used by believers in the Black Probe theory as visual evidence of its existence, while scientists see it as nothing more than a misunderstanding or an overinterpretation of ordinary images. Thus, between scientific explanations and popular fiction, the Black Probe myth has taken hold as one of space's most controversial mysteries. After images of the STS-88 shuttle went viral, the real debate about the nature of the black probe began. Several theories emerged, each of which attempts to explain this mystery in its own way.
NASA says the object drifting near the shuttle is simply a piece of thermal insulation, a heat blanket. Meanwhile, astronauts continue their work in orbit, securing
such as a thermal blanket or a piece of metal that has separated from a spacecraft. This theory is the official explanation given by NASA, and scientists maintain that the images show nothing supernatural, just remnants from a space mission. The second theory is even more exciting. Some believe the black probe is an ancient space satellite, sent thousands of years ago by an outside civilization to observe Earth. These are based on Tesla and Norway signals, and say they were attempts to communicate from this mysterious moon. The third theory relates to the world of conspiracies. There are those who believe that governments know the truth but hide it from people, and that the black probe is evidence of secret communication with other civilizations, or perhaps a mysterious, undisclosed military project. And between these theories, the black probe remains an open mystery. Some see it as just a myth that has ballooned over time. Others see it as proof that we are not alone in this universe. The truth has yet to be settled, and that's what makes the black probe one of space's most controversial mysteries. After more than a century of mysterious signals, press reports, and controversial NASA images, the black probe remains an unresolved mystery. Is it just ordinary space debris? Or is it evidence of a civilization that has been watching Earth for thousands of years? The truth is still murky, and the questions are bigger than the answers. And maybe that's the secret of the black probe, that it always leaves us between doubt and certainty, between science and myth. In the end, the question remains open. Are we alone in this universe, or is someone silently watching us long ago?